Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, it's Diego with the lovely Karina here in Bogota, Colombia. And it's busy out there in the traffic in the big city. I can hear the trucks and the cars and the motorcycles. It's kind of like New York City on steroids. Okay. Now what are these? Do you know what they are? Okay, now Karina bought these at the market and they kind of look like bananas. I don't know if they're bananas on steroids or what they are, but if you know what they are, let me know, okay? Anyway, this video is about if your beneficiary has children, okay, you gotta know the process for bringing them to the United States, okay? So listen up. Okay, if your beneficiary in the Philippines, in Russia, in Ecuador, Argentina, Peru, wherever has children and you want to bring them to the United States, they get classified as a K2. They get included on USCIS form I-129F as a K2 visa beneficiary. It's one form, 2 people or 3 people, okay? But make sure that the ex-husband or the ex-wife of that person you're going to marry gives permission for those children to leave their country of residence. Say, for example, in Ecuador, okay? Mr. Sponsor, you're going to marry a lady from Ecuador and she has a little baby girl and she's divorced her husband in Ecuador. The husband, unless that child is in sole custody of your beneficiary, there's a process you got to follow, okay? Listen up. Okay, let's supposing that you, Miss Beneficiary, have a child and you do not have sole custody of that child. You must get a letter from your ex-husband or your ex-boyfriend or your ex-whatever and have him or her, by law, per country, has to write a letter granting that child permission to leave that home country, in this case, Ecuador, okay? So you, Miss Beneficiary, you're going to get married to your sponsor in the United States, and you have a child or 2 children or whatever, and you don't have sole custody of that child or children. You've got to get permission from your ex-husband, your ex-boyfriend, or whoever to give permission for that child or children to leave your country of residence. Immigration at the airport in, let's say, Colombia, El Dorado, won't let your kids on the plane unless you have that letter. Visa or no visa. Now let's supposing that you, Miss Beneficiary, were married in the past and your husband died, unfortunately passed away, went to heaven. I'm sorry about that. But you need to get a copy of the death certificate of your husband in the past, or of your common law husband or your boyfriend, whatever. If you don't have sole custody of your children and your ex-husband or your husband has passed away, get a copy of the death certificate, get it translated into English, certified by an official translator, and include that in your K1 visa package, because you're going to need it for MVC processing and embassy adjudication. Okay, you understand that? You understand? Yes, yes, yes. Okay, guys, we're helping you through this process. We're in the same boat as you in the K1 visa process. We're here for you. We're helping you. This channel is for you guys. If you have questions, you ask me the questions, okay? Put them in the remarks block. I'll find out the answers for you if I don't know. More than likely, I know the answer, okay? So remember, Miss Beneficiary, young lady in the Philippines, young lady in India, our friends in Nigeria, Togo, wherever you are. If you have children and you're not in sole custody of your children, you must get a letter releasing your child into your custody so that they can leave your country of origin without any hassles at the airport with immigration. If you were married in the past and your husband or wife passed away and went to heaven, get a copy of the death certificate, translated into English if necessary, and include it in your K1 visa package. You will need that information at NVC processing and at your face-to-face interview in your country embassy of origin. We hope this information is helpful to you guys. We appreciate you watching our videos. We're here to help you. We're doing this for free. We're keeping busy. We don't get paid for this, but we will see you in
Colombia.
Colombia. Woohoo! What are these things?